Hey, this is William Erik Burton with the Partner with Erik project. If you want to learn how you can earn income from home very easily, you want to at least come to the link in the description below and take a look at this. The best way to start building your wealth with positive assets, but also I actually help you start to earn income. And you want to come and watch this video, and then you can see that there's some options here. You can click on this link, and this link goes to the same place, but also you get a free ebook that will explain everything to you, and I have a little sales letter there that helps you to understand. And what happens when you click on this link after you watch this video, you come to this website, and this is our main video. It's about 20 minutes, and it will tell you exactly how you're going to make money fairly quickly within the next 60 to 90 days consistently, basically by taking action. And once you watch that 20-minute video, if you're still interested, you want to click on the appointment setter here and you set an appointment with me and we'll connect if you're serious about getting started. So click on the link in the description below if you're interested in earning income from home. This is William Erik Burton. Have a great day, guys and gals.